Hey folks, Jay from the Volo Auto Museum. Look what we got for you today, a 1950 Mercury chopped lead sled. This car is slick. The black with the red pinstripe, red interior. It's an awesome looking car. Gotta be one of the best looking Merc lead sleds anywhere you'll find. We're gonna spin the car around, open it up, show you inside and out. It's got a lot of cool details. I will list all the specs on our website. Make sure you go to volocars.com to get all the information. But I'll tell you what I know real quick. It comes from a collector that deals with just the nicest cars. I shouldn't say deals, he's not a dealer, he's a collector. And he did say this is a turnkey, fires right up, good running car. So all right, we'll do a little walk around, tell you what I know about it. It's chopped 4 inches. It's got smoked glass. It's got lake pipes molded into the car. Turn signals mounted in the mirrors. Dummy spotlights. Frenched antenna. This trim is off a 55 Mercury. It's got skirts, pinstripe. I mean, check out that roof line. They did a great job. And this is nosed, decked, and shaved. That means they removed the trim, the handles, the locks. It's all filled in for a smooth hot rod look. Doors open with the remote. The trunk opens from a button inside the car. Frenched in tail lights. They're 1959 Cadillac with shorter lenses. Doesn't that pop? Look at that red upholstery. What a stunning combination. It's got a tilt wheel, it's got a hot rod tachometer on the steering column, even a devil head on the shifter, power seats. Look at that. That's my favorite part of the car right there. That's worth the price of admission. And big chrome hubcaps with the white wall. Reminds me of Grease Lightning. There we go. Put your sunglasses on. You're gonna need it to look at this motor compartment. Even the carburetor's chromed. It's a Chevy 350 motor, has a chromed air conditioning system, power steering, power brakes. Check out the Betty Boop mural painted on the front. Again, love the hubcap. Inside the car looks roomy. Comes with all this documentation. There's receipts, photos, all the information which I haven't read through yet. I'll go through this all and again post it on our website. That's volocars.com. That's the trunk popper. It's all red carpeted, has a car cover, there's a spare tire, and there's where you fill the gas. I'm going to start this thing up. You'll like how it sounds. The lake pipes were just about always just made for show. It's got a real exhaust system going out the back. I think even I look cool in this car. I love the devil head shift handle. That's so cool. Got a full set of gauges, power seats, cloth headliner, stereo system. Motor's smooth as can be. If I mentioned, that's a DeSoto grill, Frenched headlights. Just take another look at the lines on this car. You don't think you'll pull in and get a crowd around this? I think you're mistaken. This is going to turn heads. or go to volocars.com or call sales at 815-385-3644. Be happy to tell you all about this car. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting on the greatest cars. Just today we did a 69 Camaro, we did a 32 Ford, and now we're doing a 50 Mercury. I'm really thrilled with the cars that we've been able to locate lately and offer for sale.